In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set task reminders in HubSpot. Staying on top of follow-ups is crucial, and HubSpot's task reminders make that easy. Start by opening your browser and searching for HubSpot. From the search results, go to the official HubSpot website and sign in to your account. Use whatever login method your organization has set up. Once you're in, you'll land on your HubSpot dashboard. Look to the left sidebar and hover to reveal the main navigation. Find the section labeled CRM. That's where your records, activities, and tasks live. Within that section, click on Tasks. This opens the Tasks Workspace, where you can see everything assigned to you, including what's due today, overdue items, and any upcoming work. It's a great place to get oriented before you set a reminder. Here, you can either create a brand new task or work with one that already exists. For this walkthrough, select an existing task you want to be reminded about and click Edit. Editing opens the detailed panel where you can adjust the title, due date, priority, and most importantly, the reminder settings. Find the field labeled Reminder and click the drop-down. This control determines when HubSpot nudges you before the task is due. If you've never changed it before, it may be set to no reminder by default. Open the menu and choose the timing that best fits your workflow. Common quick picks include 1 hour before, 1 day before, or 1 week before. If you prefer to be reminded at a very specific moment, select a date and time that aligns with when you're most likely to take action. For example, a 1-hour reminder is great for same-day follow-ups, while a 1-day or 1-week reminder helps you prepare ahead for key deadlines. Keep your time zone in mind so that the reminder arrives when you expect it. After selecting your reminder, review the rest of the task details to make sure nothing else needs to change. When everything looks good, click Save. That's it. Your reminder is now scheduled. Depending on your HubSpot notification preferences, you'll get an alert in-app, by email, or both at the time you chose. A quick tip before we wrap up: build a consistent habit. If you always want a heads up, set reminders every time you assign a due date and use a timing that matches the task's importance. That way, your follow-ups never slip through the cracks and your pipeline stays healthy. You now know how to set task reminders in HubSpot quickly and confidently.